Now the next relationship is between simply average revenue and marginal revenue. We did this, okay, when price falls with rise in output. Now we will do a general relationship between AR and MR when nothing will be mentioned to you, that whether the price is falling or whether the price is constant. If nothing is mentioned, what will you write? Okay, so as it is seen, average revenue increases as long as marginal revenue is higher than average revenue. See, average revenue increases. This is my average revenue curve. So this my average revenue is increasing as long as my marginal revenue is increasing. Average revenue is maximum and constant. My average revenue is maximum and constant when marginal revenue is equal to average revenue. So my average revenue is maximum and constant. See the peak. Only when my marginal revenue is equal to average revenue, means only when my marginal revenue will cut the average revenue and will become equal to each other. At that time, average revenue will reach its maximum peak point. Average revenue falls when marginal revenue is less than AR. So my average revenue is falling when my marginal revenue is less than AR. See, when my marginal revenue curve is lying below the average revenue curve, that means my marginal revenue is less than this average revenue. That is the time when my average revenue will be falling. Because my marginal revenue is falling, AR will also fall. Okay. So it must be noted that specific relationship between AR and MR depends upon the relationship of price with the output. That is whether the price remains same or varies. If nothing is mentioned, you will write this tree relationship. Okay, and the axis has to be labeled, that here you are measuring AR and MR and here you are measuring the units sold. Okay. See the AR and MR curve under the monopoly and monopolistic competition. What they have said, both monopoly and monopolistic competition fall under the category of imperfect competition. Remember this, perfect competition is there. Whenever we talk about imperfect competition, that means it is monopoly and monopolistic. Therefore, average revenue and marginal revenue curve slopes downward as more units can be sold only by reducing the price. However, there is one major difference between AR and MR curves of monopoly and monopolistic competition. Under monopolistic competition, the AR curves are more elastic. Under the monopoly, under monopolistic competition, AR and MR curves are more elastic as compared to that of the monopoly. It happens because of the presence of close substitutes under monopolistic competition and absence of close substitutes under monopoly. So when price of a commodity is increased in both the markets and proportionate fall in demand under monopoly is less than the proportionate fall in demand under monopolistic. So what they are trying to say, in case of perfect competition, it is a straight line because the price line coincides with the average revenue and the marginal revenue curve. See, as we have done earlier in case of perfect competition. Now, but in case of imperfect competition like monopoly and monopolistic competition, it is a downward sloping curve. Because we need to make the price fall to sell an increased amount of output. Now, in case of monopolistic competition, the curve is a bit elastic in nature compared to that of monopoly. Why? Because monopolistic competition has got close substitutes. If it raises the price, then its demand will be affected by a large amount. The supply will be affected by a large amount. So it happens because when the price of closer under this monopolistic competition and absence of close substitutes under monopoly. So when price is increased in both the markets, the proportionate fall in demand for monopolistic competition is more than for monopoly. So it is very clear, as this monopolistic competition has got close substitutes, if we increase the price, it will reduce our demand. So that is why the curve is elastic in nature. This is less elastic in nature. Why? Because as it does not have any close substitutes, even if we increase the price, the demand will fall, but it will fall in a smaller amount than what is happening in the monopolistic competition. Is it clear? Now we will move on to the last relationship.